Hello. So this is about a constructor. A constructor. That is, in this program I have defined a class student with variables class number, name and marks. And I have defined two functions here. The name of the first function is student. You can notice that the function has the same name as of the class. The other function is void display, and here we can notice that the first function student does not have any return type. So this function is called the constructor of the class student. That is, the function having the same name as of the class without any return type is called the constructor. And we can see the definition like this. The function name is student. It belongs to class student. So student : student. And I am giving the body of the function as marks equal to 100. So I am assigning the value 100 towards the member variable marks. And in the display function I am displaying the value of the marks. And in the main function we can notice that there is no explicit calling towards the function student. That is, I have not called the function s1.accept. s1.student. I have not called the function s1.student. It is why, because if we are defining a constructor during the object creation student s1, the constructor gets invoked by its own. So it is the property of the compiler that during execution, while creating the object student s1, the constructor is invoked by its own or automatically. That is, s1, the body of the student will get executed during the object creation. So it is similar to calling s1.student, but there is no need to call the function student explicitly. It is, the calling is implicit, that is by its own. We just need to create the object of the class. Then I have called s1.display to see whether it has stored the value 100 to marks. So usually these type of functions are used for initializing values. That is, there is no need to call the constructor explicitly. So during object creation, the constructor gets invoked automatically, and whatever value is given, it is initialized to the member variables. So usually a constructor is used for doing initialization. We will execute and see what happens. That is, student s1 means an object s1 is created and the value marks is stored to 100 is stored to marks, and it is displayed. Okay. So one object is created s1 and the constructor gets invoked for storing the value marks, and by using the display function we are showing the content of the marks. So this is the concept of constructor.